Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Lisa from Genshin Impact and dress to impress without VIP. Okay guys, let's get into it. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and combine it with this one, and then you're going to color it with this color, and you're going to put on this bangs and make it the same color, and put on this necklace, make it black, and this one make it purple, and this necklace make it white for the first selection and make it purple for the second selection and also for the third selection. And put on this hat from the witch set and you're going to make it purple. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to select this sleeves, this one. Oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item. I'm going to remove it. Okay, and for the sleeves, you're going to make it this purple. Okay, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to put on this stocking, this one. Okay, and I'm going to put on this gloves. And for the toggle, I'm going to make it short, and I'm going to color it with this gray color for the first selection, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it this purple. Okay, and I'm going to go to this heels area and put on this heels, and I'm going to make it black for the second selection. Okay, and I'm going to combine it with this one. For this heel, I'm going to make it white for the second selection, and for the third selection, I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to select this corset, and we're going to change it to toggle 1. And for the color, I'm going to make it this purple color. Okay, for the first selection, and for the next selection, I'm going to make it this color for the ribbon, and the next one make it this purple color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the next area. We're going to go to the changing room here. And I'm going to select this skirt, this dress I mean, and choose this skirt only. And I'm going to make it this purple for the first selection, second selection, and also the third selection. Alright, and I'm gonna go back to this top area. Sorry guys, I forgot something from here. I'm going to choose this top, and I'm going to make it this purple. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this petal update area, and I'm going to put on this flower. And for the flower, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the next selection, I'm going to make it this color. This is for the color code. Okay, you can make the color orange and yellow, like this. And for the last selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!